Hi, welcome to my channel Learn with Sumaiya. Hope you all are doing good today. If you are watching my channel for the first time, so please like and subscribe to my channel and also click the bell icon to get my new video updates. Hi, today I'm going to share with you the recipe of rice sticks or dipsticks. This is one of the easiest recipe you can try with the leftover boiled rice if you have. So let's start with our recipe. So here I'm taking a cup of a boiled rice which I have directly taken out from my refrigerator, and I'm adding a 2 tablespoons of yogurt and just simply mixing it gently. Once both things are combined together properly, I'm going to give it a rest for almost 10 to 15 minutes. Just cover it and just leave it for 10 to 15 minutes on your counter. So I'm using chopper to make a fine mixture of rice and yogurt so we can make a shape out of them, but some people prefer to use a spatula or maybe a wooden spoon or fork to mash them and mix them together. But for me it's easier to use chopper. I'm also adding some of the spices to give a good taste to these rice sticks. That is like crushed red chilies, black pepper, salt, garlic powder, roasted cumin, and chicken powder is totally optional. So if you like, you can use it. If you don't want to, that's totally fine. I'm still using my spatula so I can make a fine mixture, and because I still see that there are some rice grains which are left, so that's why I'm using my spatula to crush them. I'll be also using a roasted chickpea flour, so which will give it a good binding. And if you don't have that, you can definitely use corn flour as a substitute for that. To give color to my rice sticks, I'm using a tablespoon of cilantro, and it's optional as well. And I'm also using some chopped spinach, and that will give a good crunch to my rice sticks. But again, spinach is totally optional. That's my choice, and it's really makes your rice sticks very, very crunchy. So try with that. I'm also adding some shredded cheese in my recipe. Again, it's your choice. If you also want, you can use some vegetables like shredded carrots or cabbage or capsicum. You can also use meat in there. For example, you can use boiled chicken. That will really give a good flavor to your recipe, and it's totally up to you that how you want to bring some variation. Now it's time to make some shapes from the mixture. First thing I'm doing is greasing my hand with oil, and it's totally up to you that whichever shape you like you can make from this mixture. You can also make a ball shapes like a rice ball. For myself, I really like to make them as a dipsticks, and I do make them as a cylindrical shape. So, and I believe that this is a very easy peasy one, so I would like to go with that. So just a quick tip, if you feel like they are breaking while you are making the shapes, so just simply add a teaspoon of water in the mixture, or just take a bowl of water and just apply some water on your hand or on your fingers and then start making it again. So this will really help. take some oil in the frying pan and heat it. I prefer to have them shallow fried, but if you would like, you can definitely go with deep frying them. And once they are like light golden color from one side, then turn it. And then once they are fully done, serve them with hot sauce or ketchup and enjoy them with your family. Do try this recipe and you will definitely gonna love it. If you like this video, so please give a big thumbs up and also share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel, as well as give your feedback into my comment box. Thank you. I will see you next time with a tasty video. Take care. Bye bye.